In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a pairs trade on TradingView. We'll walk through this process step by step, helping you create a more informed trading strategy. First, let's make sure we have a TradingView chart open in your browser. If it's your first time using TradingView, or if you're not particularly familiar with pairs trading, don't worry. The platform is intuitive, and we'll take it slow so you can follow along comfortably. To get started, you'll want to look at your TradingView chart. You'll find it displaying your current setup or a fresh layout if you're working from a new chart. Notice the upper left corner of your screen. This is where all the main charting options are found, and it's going to be a key area for our setup here. Once you've located the upper left section, you'll need to change the chart type to line. This is a method used to simplify the visuals, reducing noise from candlesticks or bar charts, and is particularly useful for visual comparisons in pairs trading. Click on that section and select Line. After doing this, your chart will now transform into a line chart. You might find that this view gives you a cleaner perspective, focusing purely on pricing movements over time. Next, revisit the upper left corner. It's time to utilize the compare or add symbol functionality. This tool is immensely helpful for pairs trading, as it allows you to overlay charts of two assets on the same axis, letting you directly compare their movements. Go ahead and click on Compare or Add Symbol. For this tutorial, let's use an example. Type gold or another asset you're interested in pairing and see how it appears on your line chart. You should now see both assets plotted together, and this forms the basis of a pairs trade chart. Now that you've set up the chart, you can see how the relationships between these two instruments unfold visually. The chart will now reveal the dynamic relationship between the prices of your selected pair, which is key in understanding potential trade opportunities. Let's talk briefly about why someone might want to engage in pairs trading. The primary benefit is that it aims to reduce exposure to broader market movements, a practice called market neutrality. Instead, the strategy seeks profit from the relative movement of one asset against the other. Especially in turbulent markets, this technique can hedge against widespread losses. Bringing it all together, let's review what we've done on our chart. By comparing two assets, like the example of gold and another financial instrument, you can now analyze their price movement patterns. This can help you identify entry and exit points based on your criteria, making informed trading decisions. Hopefully, this walkthrough has demystified the setup of a pairs trade on TradingView, empowering you to use this tool in your trading endeavors. Thank you for joining in today, and happy trading.